I want to tell you about a mysterious man. She just arrived from a foreign land. Sharpens your knives like nobody can. They call him Billie, the grinding man. He grind your knives and make 'em cut like new. Don't want no money if he don't please you. But don't be silly, 'cause he's from a grinding land. They call him Billie, the grinding man. Oh, ladies, bring all your old scissors, knives, pots and pans. Get 'em grind while the grinding man's in town. That's the grinding man playing the piano. When he was young, he used to go to school. Always carried his grinding too. The teacher used to tell him, someday you'll be a grinding fool. They call him Billie from a grinding school. Everybody likes him 'cause he takes his time. When he starts grinding, you change your mind. The talk of the town, everybody for miles around. Come to see old Billie, the grinding man. Bill said, lady, listen while I say, ain't had a thing to grind today. Don't your scissors need grinding? I grind on installment plan. That's why they call him Billie, the grinding man.